Hi, Mr. Martin. My name is Tisha. We spoke earlier. Thank you so much for taking out your time and watching my video. I came across your company when I was doing research on plumbers in Fairfield. So I just want to touch base with you in regards to online presence and how your top competitor is doing in your area. I didn't see that you had a website of your own, so I'll just be showing you their website and how it's doing. So today we'll talk about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So first, when I Googled plumbers in Fairfield, this is what I came up with. The first thing you'll see here are ads. So these are paid for by companies. Now ads are not always a good thing because they most people have ad blockers on their computers, so you won't be able to see these ads. The next thing will be what we call a map pack or Google My Business. So it's really important to have your business listed in this area. Oftentimes people will reach out to the first business they see, either with their website or call them. The next will be an organic search. So as you see here, the first thing listed will be Yelp. Then we have Home Advisor, Angie, and Yellow Pages. So the first company that is listed here is Jeffrey Gray Plumbing. So that would be your number one competitor in your area. So we'll take a look at them in just one moment. I do want to just show you that when I did type in your business, I was able to find that you do have online presence through Yelp, and on Facebook and Better Business Bureau. So it does look like you are listed on websites that are online. We call these citations. Now, anywhere you can find your business name, phone number, and address, those are called citations. And you want to make sure that you're listing your business as much as possible online. The more times that more citations you have, the more business you will get. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website. So first thing is content. So content is anything that is on a website. So it's any words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos, and anything that's listed on the website. So I do recommend having at least 1,500 words. Within that, you can include keywords. And what that is if someone were to type that into Google, then they'll be able to it'll bring them over to your website. So the third thing would be backlinks. Now, backlinks are any links that are on the web that lead someone back to a website. So the more backlinks that you have, the more people will see your website. So in this case, I'll just show you with this particular company. So right now they have about 153 backlinks. They're utilizing 425 organic keywords. Again, that's going to be throughout the website. It's bringing in about 184 people to their website, and it's generating about this much business. Okay, so those are three areas or three things that you want to make sure that you're including for your online presence, and again to help you get more business. Now you're welcome to keep these tips for yourself. If you would like a more in-depth conversation about how I can help you, then I'd be more than happy to speak with you. My phone number is 916-378-9773. But either way, I would love to get some feedback on this video. So please feel free to contact me either by phone or you can respond back to my email. Again, thank you so much for taking your time and watching my video. I hope that you have a good day.